Twain run, but only I got Jeepers with me. You'll see them through the lens here in just a moment. So, on my seatbelt for safety. Let's head out. Just hit 175,000 miles. Old girl's officially an old girl. Can you believe that? It's crazy. Still running strong though. Can't wait to do some more modifications to her. We're gonna run it during the summer though, as is. Got a lot of trips to take with her, so let's hope she holds up. Since we're on the road, we're heading back down to Mark Twain, and I have the three stooges with me, I guess I'll call them. I'll go over a little bit of an update on the Jeep and everything that I've done. So I finished the PSC steering system along with the RPM steering flip tie rod bracket. So all that is done. I just haven't actually filmed any of it yet. I've been kind of under the weather the last, let's say, few weeks at least. And yeah, I just haven't had time to film or set up for filming for any of it. And then I started to go out last weekend, which you'll probably see this long before you see that, or maybe I'll put it earlier in the video, I don't know. I didn't film much of it because I was actually having too much fun. This is the first time I'd been out wheeling in, I don't know, it had to have been like a few months at least. Since probably the Thanksgiving runs or something like that. Oh, me and Steve did go out during the New Year, just after the New Year. But it's been about 2 months. I went out, I had too much fun, forgot to film all of it, and I found some pretty cool trails. So we're gonna see what we can do today as a group, and hopefully we'll have some fun, and I'll film a whole bunch of it. I don't know how much these guys are down to do. We do have a big wheeling trip tomorrow, which will be a completely separate video in itself, because that is going to be a much larger group with very less capable rigs. About the same type of trail system, a little narrow, very scratchy. Not so much forest roads, but we'll see. You'll see coming up in the next video. But yeah, I will be filming pretty much a walk around of my Jeep, but not only my Jeep, but of another Jeep. So you have to wait a little bit longer until we get that one completely buttoned up. We had a couple of mishaps with some products, which the manufacturer definitely hooked her up with a couple replacement parts and such. So we'll get that all strung together, and we'll do a walk around video of her Jeep. You've seen it on the channel before, so you probably already know which one I'm talking about if you've watched the previous videos. So that's going to be another video. So we got a lot of content coming up for you, which I'm very excited about. I like the whole filming thing. It's been rough this winter. Lots of work on the Jeep. Kind of hard to film in the little garage, but we're getting it done. All right, off to Mark Twain. Don't know if I went over who's all with us this weekend, but me, Robert, Slapshot. Oh, okay. Well, then we'll go film her real quick. And Squidward. Look at all these badges.
Hey Rob, when you pull up, then we're going to pull up so our GoPro is pointing that way, and then I'm going to jump out with my phone also.
Alright kids, just tell me when. Wes is gonna get wet.
I hope not. I got this down tree to protect me. All right, I think we're ready. They destroyed that tree. It wasn't that bad. Let's see if Steve wants to do it.
I'm coming once she gets in.
That's what she said. We're having a blast.
crossings like this, are these legal?
Yeah, they're legal. See, just because it's trail to trail. If it's not, if there isn't a
But
designated
if he was
trail.
like driving up the river, that
Yeah, if you're driving up the river, then if you post about it, then you can receive up to a $1,500 fine per tire that's in the water.
A table would be nice on the back of the Jeep.
I'm ordering one.
this is our first time out when everybody's got their big boy shoes on.
That's true.
What do you want a romance in?
They're getting romantic, can you hear them? Lots of cool little places like this out here. Look at that. Alright, film this while I still got some light left. It's about 5:30. We're just now getting back on the interstate. Pretty much we stopped and got some Sugar Fire. Really good barbecue if you're in the St. Louis area. Stop at a Sugar Fire. You won't be disappointed, I can assure you. Yeah, so we're heading back. We're all dirty. Jeeps are a little beat up, but we're gonna be back at it again tomorrow for Cherokee Pass. So look forward to that video. I'm gonna try and film some of that as well. That might be added to this video. It might be its own video. I don't know. Roll of the dice. We'll see how much footage I actually got of us wheeling today. I think I got a lot, and I got some drone footage from Rob and Slapshot. So we'll see what all comes to pass when I get all of the footage back from them. So it should be pretty fun video, but it's definitely gonna be a fun ride tomorrow. A whole bunch of different Jeeps. Squidward will be there. Scout should be there. I haven't confirmed anything. And you'll see Beast, the black and green Jeep from a previous video as well. He'll be there. And we're gonna go do Cherokee Pass down there in Fredericktown, Missouri. So stay tuned to that. And safe travels, I guess. Happy wheeling. I don't know. Whatever you want to